Hello everyone, welcome to another video talking about how to turn off the automatic Windows updates in Windows Update of Windows 10 permanently. Alright, so you will need the software called Windows 10 Manager. In fact, there are some other ways that you can do without a software, but if you don't want to get involved in many difficult steps, then just get this software installed and then you will be able to disable many other features that you don't like on Windows 10, as the name implies, Windows 10 Manager. So after you get the software installed, then just double click on the software, click on yes. All right, wait a little bit. Okay, here it comes. So there are many sections. I won't have to talk about all of the sections. I just want to go to security to show you how it works. Go to system security. All right, and then go to components. And then you will have to, just check this box. Okay, if you want to check this box and this box, fine. Okay, no problem. But basically, you just go to this, tick this box, then everything is gonna be fine. All right. And then you have to click on saved, and the pop-up message box will appear and asking whether do you want this setting to take effect immediately without restarting your computer. Yes, of course. Right, so it's done. And then I won't close this yet because I will get back to you later. Okay, so go to Windows Update. All right, and then hit on check for updates. Okay, let's see. Okay, you can see that some settings are managed by your organization, and then it says your organization has turned off automatic updates. Yeah, I like it because I already have updated my Windows to the latest version and all features have been installed, so I don't want to receive any more of future Windows update. All right, and if you want to, you want your computer to, let's say, receive more Windows update, then just remove this tick from the box and hit saved and then hit yes. All right, and then you can go back to Windows Update. Okay, click on Windows Update. Okay, here it comes. All right, and then you can click on retry it. Yes, so you will no longer see some organization, your organization have turned off the automatic Windows update. Okay, so I will have to go and disable it because I don't want to receive any more of future automatic Windows update. All right, so done. Okay, all right, cool. Okay, so that's it. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And if you have any questions, for example, if you don't know how to get Windows 10 Manager installed, then you can leave the comments below this video, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.